I've been seeing gnats lately.
Rats.
Huh?
Rats.
Rats for gnats. There's a couple of ducks out there. They're going to want to charge us $10 to come into this lake this
They're
summer.
going to start?
Well, they want to.
For kayakers even?
Yeah.
Get it.
You can go online and you can take their course and get a $10 off, so it'll make it free. But they're looking for mussels, zebra mussels and stuff. Like, we really carry them on kayaks. I don't know how you would do that.
Right.
But if you get caught bringing a mussel into a lake like this, it's a felony. It's a felony. It's like, wow.
What the fine is?
I don't know, but you can't go to Canada if you go get a felony.
Yeah, you don't want to.
Can't have a gun. I don't know if you can even vote.
I don't know.
It's like, really, for a zebra mussel? It's like, wow, that's a little stiff. I couldn't believe that, a felony.
Yeah, that's wild.
Yeah. It's bad enough they want to charge us $10 to come into the lake. But then, I don't know how to bring in a zebra mussel. I think you have to be in another lake and then come here.
Oh.
I don't know, it's got to cling to your boat, I guess.
It would be an accident, probably. I see.
I don't know. It would be hung up on your boat somehow. It would say, nice home. I'm going to
Like
stay
a
here.
sailboat or something.